Finalweb is excited to announce a new partnership with Servant Keeper. For many years, Servant Keeper has been a leading provider of church management software and related solutions. From online giving to membership management, child check-in tools to accounting integration, Servant Keeper does it all. Combining their first-rate solutions with Finalweb's powerful website, live streaming, and mobile app services, churches are now able to acquire an integrated all-in-one solution that we feel is really unmatched in the industry. So here I am at my Finalweb site, and I want to add my Servant Keeper buttons. Now I can add these wherever I want within my site, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new page just for them. So I'm going to click on Edit Menu up here at the top, and then I'm going to click this plus icon, and I'm going to type in Servant Keeper Tools. And I'm going to make this a new page within my site. So I'll go ahead and save this, maybe drag it to the middle a little bit, and then save my menu down here. So now I have a menu item for Servant Keeper Tools. Now once I'm on this page, I'm going to go ahead and title it. And then down here in the content area, I'm going to click Add Section to start adding these buttons. If I scroll down just a little ways, I'll see that I now have an option that says Servant Keeper. If I choose this, I can add these 4 different options. So we'll start by adding a button for the online office. And here I enter my Servant Keeper web ID, which you should be able to acquire from Servant Keeper if you don't have that already. So I'm going to use my demo one. And add this. And I now have a button that links straight to my online office. So if my users come here and click on that, they immediately get the online office login. I'll go ahead and add a couple more. We'll add one for the member portal, and I'm going to enter the same web ID. And so I have my member portal link now, and that one will take me right to my member portal. And then we'll go ahead and add the directory button. And this is going to take me to my online church directory. So all 3 of these buttons are ready to go. You'll notice as well there is an option to add the donation button. This is going to work in just a couple days here, but it will work in just the same way. We'll go ahead and paste in the ID, click Add Section, and we get our donation button. So I hope this has been helpful. It's very easy to add these tools. They're extremely powerful. Be sure you check out servantpc.com if you haven't signed up for Servant Keeper yet.